Now see one question related to identify debit and credit. So question is, on which side the increase in the following account will be recorded? In which side increase in the following account will be recorded? The question is furniture. Number one, furniture. Second is your rent paid. Third one is your commission received. Fourth one is your salary paid. Fifth one is your proprietor's account, means capital account. You can say proprietor's account. Here it is written proprietor's account. Sixth one is your debtors, and seventh one is your creditors. Question is, if these accounts are increasing, if it is increasing, which side this will be recorded? Increasing. If this account is increasing, then which side we will record it? Question is this. So come to the furniture. Furniture is assets. Okay, first of all we have identified the furniture is what? It's a assets, liability, capital, expenses and losses, or incomes and gains. So furniture we identify it's an assets. So first identification is assets. Number second is, now come to the assets, rules of assets for debit and credit. If assets is increasing, then debit, and if the assets is decreasing, then credit. Here it is increasing, so here it is debit. Right? It is debit because assets is increasing. Rent paid. Rent paid is an expense. It's an expense. So rules of expense is what? Increase in expense will be debited and decrease in expenses will be credited. So here the expenses is increasing, so this will be debited. Come to the commission received. Commission received is the income. And rules of income is what? If income is increasing, then it will be credited. If the income is decreasing, then it will be debited. So here the income is increasing, so it will be credited. Salary is our expense. So same thing will be applied as rent paid, debit, because increase in expenses will be debited and decrease in expenses will be credited. Proprietor's account means it's a capital account. So increase in capital account, if the capital account is increasing, then it will be credited. And capital account, if it is decreasing, then it will be debited. Debtors is the assets. So if the assets is increasing, here it is increasing, so when the assets is increasing, then debit, and assets is decreasing, then credit. Creditors, it's a liability. It's an external liabilities. So when the liability is increasing, then it will be credited. So this way we identify this account will be debited or this account will be credited. So if the assets is increasing, then debit, and assets is decreasing, then it will be credited. For capital, if the capital is increasing, then credit. If the capital is decreasing, then debit. For liabilities, if it is increasing, credit, decreasing, debit. Incomes and gains, increasing, credit, decreasing, debit. Expenses and losses, increasing, debit, and decreasing, credit. Is it clear?